Hi, in this video we will learn about the find and replace command. So let us first have some of the names such as Sagar, then Malay, Jai, Yagnik, and Hardik. So you have such kinds of names. So for finding, so there is a shortcut for finding the to recall the find command. So just press Control and F for the find command. So this kind of dialog box will be open when you press Control F, and here we have to type which letter you want to find. For example, I want to in this 5 names I want to find alphabet A. So what I will do is I will type A and find. I will press on find next. So it will show that in the cell number D2 there is a use of alphabet A. In next it will show in D3, next D4. Similarly, in which the cell in which the alphabet is containing the A, that will be find. Or what you can do is you can just press on find all, which will show the particular name in which the alphabet A is used. So this was the shortcut method. For the long cut method, what you have to do is just go to the home, and in home there is one of the here it is provided in the editing ribbon. It is given find and select. So in this you can press find. So here it will be there. So here, as we have seen already, that alphabet for alphabet A. Now moving on to the replacement, or we can say for replace of the particular thing. So for replacing any alphabet, the shortcut for the calling that command is Control H. So you have to just press Control H. So here I have done what I want to replace from A to, I want to replace from A to B. So what I will do is I will just replace all. So here you can, here the dialog box says Excel has completed its search and has been made 7 replacement. Press OK. So here you can see wherever the A was there, that was been replaced by the B. Okay. So now just close it. This was the short way. For the long cut way, what you have to do is you have to go to this editing ribbon and just click find and replace and press over here replace, in which I want to replace alphabet B by alphabet A, and you can replace particular box, or you can replace all by clicking replace all. So here the complete search has been completed and the replacement has been done. Press OK and close. So here we can observe that the alphabet B has been replaced by A. So here we have seen about the find and replace command. Thank you.